that Sunday. Trader Vic's Shrimp Foo Yong. I've never seen it spelled Yong, Y-O-N-G, but apparently it's a thing. 1958. We gotta try it. I don't think I got a piece of, I don't think I got a shrimp in there. And we gotta talk about the ingredient size. Here we go. It's salty, but it's not too salty. It's right on the edge. And I was really worried with all that soy sauce. There were 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And there's a lot of MSG. I'm just saying. 1 teaspoon in the mix, 2 teaspoons in the sauce. So remember, it's the 50s. Trader Vic's. There it is. There's a shrimp. Let's get a shrimp. Here we go. All right. Trader Vic's 1958 Shrimp Foo Yong. That was really good with the shrimp. Oh yeah. I'll take another bite. That's pretty good. That's pretty tasty. Might have looked a little nicer if there were some little carrot flakes in there for color in the recipe. The problem is the standard tablespoon is kind of small. I went with a rounded kitchen spoon. Let's take another bite, get some shrimp. I really liked the sauce. It was very clear. It's very tasty. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Bean sprouts. That